Hey kids, let's learn the beginning sound. Look, there is a rabbit. And the rabbits come from the sound R. R for rabbit. Here is a ball. And the ball comes from the sound yes, B. B for ball. Look, here is an apple. And apples come from the sound A for apple. Look, what is this? Nose. Nose comes from the sound for nose. Look, what is this? Sun. And sun comes from the sound yes, S for sun. Here is the monkey. And monkey comes from the sound for monkey. Wow, a house. And house comes from the sound yes, ha. Ha is for house. Cap. Here is a cap. And cap comes from the sound K. K for cap. And orange. And orange comes from the sound for orange. It's a drum. And drums from the sound D. D for drum. It's a leaf. And leaf comes from the sound L for leaf.
Hope you understand the beginning sounds, and for more videos please subscribe our channel. Thank you.